Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bathroom haul. As many of you know, or if you've watched my past videos, then you would know that I've moved and that we live in a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment. So I have my own bathroom because of that, and I had to get a lot of things for my new bathroom. So first of all, I also want to let you know that this is my very first video filming on my brand new camera. I did a video about that too, so I'll have that link down below, as well as the empty apartment tour of the new apartment that we're living in. There's some background noise. We live closer to the street than we did in our other apartment. We didn't move apartment complexes, we just moved units, so unfortunately this unit is closer to the street. It's not a busy road, but I mean it can be sometimes. But yeah, but anyways, so I also got a tripod, by the way. I didn't know if I showed you that either. But yeah, so this is going to be a bathroom haul. Let's go ahead and start. So also there are a few things that I am missing that I didn't buy. For example, a toilet plunger and a toilet cleaner scrubber. I did actually buy them, but then I returned them because I changed my mind, and because I was reading the reviews, and technically a toilet scrubber doesn't really matter, but like the plunger. And also there is something else that I wanted to get for my bathroom. It's like a 3-tier cart thing that I wanted to put in there, but I have to order it online from Target because they didn't have it in the store. I liked the color that I wanted, so I'm gonna order that online, and I'll link that tier cart down below, and also I'll have a little screenshot of it in the video. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna first start with this little tiny thing. So this I got for like my toothpaste. I don't actually use like a normal toothbrush. I use an electric toothbrush. So I don't really need this for my toothbrush, but I got it for my toothpaste, and I'm sure I'll find something else to put in here. But this is just this cute little, just blue, like a clear blue, with like some cute designing. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but yeah. And this is the brand Opal House, and I got this from Target. I pretty much got everything from Target. There are maybe there's probably one thing that I didn't get from Target. But yeah, so the next thing I'll show you is this under sink storage. This is from the brand Threshold, and it's just this little, it's supposed to like slide out, or I guess not this one, but the bottom one is supposed to slide out. So it's just a two-tier thing for under the sink, and it's the nickel finish. And then I got a trash can, a little trash can, and it's pretty much the same as this, the little toothbrush holder, but in a bigger and trash can form. And I thought this one was cute too, just plastic and clear. And that's also the brand Opal House. Also, I am missing a little soap dispenser, and I think I might get the same one to match like the trash can and this one. So I just have to order it online because they didn't have it in the store. And then I'll go with this little thing. So this is just an over-the-door rack, a little from Threshold, and this is the satin finish. It just has 3 hooks, so I'm gonna put like one of my towels on here. That's what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know what else I'd put on there except for my towels. And then my shower curtain. This is a shower curtain. I got it from Opal House as well, and it just has a whole bunch of birds, and I thought it was really freaking cute. It is 100% cotton, and it has like some green, some hints of blue, some reds, or pinks, just like turquoise, and it's really pretty. I got another one, but the reviews on it weren't that great. So I decided to return that one and get this one because the reviews were better. And then 2 small rugs, one for in front of my sink and one for my in front of the bathtub. And I just got the same ones, same color. I got them in green to try and match this the most I could. And these are just from Threshold. And I like threshold rugs. We've had threshold rugs before, and I looked on the reviews, and the Opal House rugs aren't as like comfortable, and I know that thresholds are more comfortable. So I got 2 of those rugs, and then I got some soap because I don't have any soap in my bathroom since the soap's all my mom's or my brother's. So I just got some Dial liquid antibacterial soap, which kills 99.9% of bacteria, which is perfect for COVID-19. And then I just got this small little basic thing. This is for the bathtub. It catches like hair, and then when you shower like the hair won't go underneath. And we have one of this for we had this for our other bathtub, so I got another one because I'm gonna need one too. And I like this thing, so that's why I got this, just basic. And it's the brand OXO, O-X-O. And then I got some Room Essentials shower hooks. These are just like plastic basic shower hooks. So I got these. And then I got this thing. I got this, it's, what brand is it? Well, I don't know what brand this is, but it's just this glass tiered thing that I got from Target also, which I got everything from Target basically. But I'm going to keep like cotton balls, cotton swabs, and like probably floss picks in here. So that's what I got this for. And then I got this shower caddy thing for like the shower head, and it is Made by Design, and it is in the color, I think it was like, I forgot what finish it was. I forgot what finish it was, but it looked different in the pictures. But yeah, so I got this one, and it's perfect for like one razor, which there's only gonna be me in that shower, so one razor, my little loofah, soap, and like other stuff. So that was cool. And then I also got some toilet cleaner for my toilet. I got like the like this stuff. This is just the Method brand anti-bac toilet. Kills 99.9% of household germs, and I like this one because it's not too strong. So I got that. And then I got this this is only the last thing that I got. This is not from Target, it's from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's just the .org well organized brand. It's supposed to go in your like under the sink, and you put it on the cabinet, and you can put like a hair dryer, hairbrush, and just some other stuff in it. So I got that. I think that's about it. And then everything else I'll have linked, or I'll either have linked down below, or what I didn't get linked down below, and then or also like screenshots. But I think that is about it. I don't think I got anything else for my bathroom because it's kind of a small bathroom and I didn't really need much. But what I'll do is I'll have everything that I showed you linked down below, and then everything else that I'm planning to get on like little screenshots in the video. But yeah, so that's all that I got for my bathroom. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you guys would like to see more of my videos, subscribe down below. It's totally free. And now that I do have a camera, I do plan on making more videos, especially cooking with Val's, and also because I got my tripod, so the tripod will help me with the cooking with Val's. And yeah, so subscribe down below, comment down below if you have your own bathroom or if you share a bathroom. I shared a bathroom for the longest time, and now I get my own bathroom. I've never had my own bathroom before, so that'll be fun. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone!